I will start solving this equation for you. Okay, we're gonna say or decompose these numbers in factors. This can be decomposed like this: 2 times 2 equals 4 to the x, plus 2 times 3 equals 6 to the x. Here, 3 times 3 to the x, right? Okay. Now, if we want to divide by this number, but this factor, because this factor is the easy one, we divide it by this factor, like this: 2 times 2 to the x plus 2 times 3 to the x equals, is 2, has to be 2. 2 times 2 to the x. Okay? Sorry about this. This must be 2. Okay. So we divide. If we see this is the same as this, so it has to be gone. Gone. Instead, we have 1. Okay? Plus. If we see this, 2 over 2 is 1. Gone. And only have 3 over 2. Okay? 3 over 2. To the x. Here, we can do nothing at all. So we have 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. Everything is to the x. Okay? So, and then we have to write it in a different way. 1 plus 3 over 2x equals 3 over 2 to the x, but this must be square because this is twice. So in order to have the same, we had to go square. Okay, now we have this equation, and we have to get rid of this square, the index. So how to do it? Okay, we're gonna do this one. We're gonna write any letter here, say t equals t squared. Okay? If we fix this in order to make it like that, see, 0 first and then first term, second, third, we do it like 0 here equals the square first, t squared. This is gonna be this side minus 2. This one is gonna be this side minus 1. Now we have it like that. Then we're gonna use the quadratic formula. This quadratic formula give us the solution. Okay? We're gonna use the symbols. So in this case, we do minus b. But here, this is 1 as a coefficient, this is 1 as a coefficient, and we have here already 1. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So here we see that minus B, what is minus B? Is minus 1. Plus or minus square root of b squared. What is b squared? What is b? We're gonna square it. B is minus 1. We put it minus 1 square. This is square. Then minus 4 times 1. What is 1? What is A times A? A here is 1. That's what I get screwed up. Times C. What is C here in the equation? It's minus 1. Everything divided by 2 times A. What is A? Is 1. 2 times 1. Okay? We go ahead. Here, minus times minus is plus. So we make 1 plus or minus. Here is 1 because to the square is converted to positive, minus 4 times minus 1 over 2. Okay, now we go here. 1 plus or minus square root of 1 times minus times minus is positive, plus 4 over 2. Okay, now that I have this equation, we continue. 1 plus or minus 5 over 2. When we go to the operation of this, say we operate. We go to the calculator and operate. Square root of 5, we get it there. We add. Oh, I want to say that in here we have to use the positive. If we use the negative, we don't get what we are looking for. So this is gone. We have to use the positive. Okay, positive sign. So square root of 5 is this. We add 1 and we divide it by 2. And we get 1.68. But if you pay attention to this number is the golden number. The divine number is very ancient number. Anyway, we're gonna use, I won't stop to explain this because it takes too much time. I will use this golden number. This is this. So 5 equals 618. Okay, in order to get we have an equation here that we get rid of 2 or the index 2, so we need the x. For that we have to use logarithms. Okay, so we get rid of everything, so we say logarithm of this number 18 equals logarithm of 3 over 2 to the x. Well, we don't have to operate here because the x is bothering us. We have to put it down. How? Okay, log 0.618 equals x. We put it here, log 3 halves. Okay, now since we have to isolate x, we divide it by this, log 3 halves, log 3 halves, and this is gone. We're gonna put it in the next page for you guys to see clear. Log, okay, here, log of 1.618, this is divided by log 3 3 halves. This must be equal to x. Okay, that is the solution. Now we have to operate. We have to use the calculator. Here we have a big number. We're gonna put it in a short number, okay? We say log of, here, you can see it better. Where you can see it better, okay, here. Log of 1.618 log. We get this number, so since this is on top, we're gonna put it on top in order not to confuse. Log of this is 0.20, say 9 here. We're gonna short it to 3 digits. Now we log this, but before logging, we have to divide 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2 equal 1.5. Now we log it. Sorry, I get something wrong. 3 divided by 2 log. And we get this 0.176. Now we divide it. Now we have the logs, we divided this by this, step by step. 0.209 divided by 0.176, and we got 1.1875, or 1 point, say we get it to 2 digits, 1, 9. And this is the solution. This must be equals to x. And folks, we have solved for you this equation, and I hope you like it. Share it with your friends. Thank you very much.